When you're ready to use the scanning utility, turn on the CR-55 and then your computer. Select Scanning Utility for CR-55. In order to maximize your efficiency, you should properly prepare documents prior to scanning with the CR-55. Documents always need to be dry since wet ink will create lines on images. You will need to clean the rollers after scanning documents written with pencil to prevent future scanned images from being tarnished. Pay attention to documents with glossy finishes or colored backgrounds. They can incorrectly register as double feeds. You should turn off the double feed detection if misdetections occur frequently. You should contact your software provider for directions on how to turn off the double feed detection via your software application. A document must meet the following criteria to be scannable. Make sure to remove all staples, paper clips, and binder clips prior to scanning. Straighten out any folded corners. Make sure all documents are right side up and facing the same direction. Documents will not feed correctly unless the bottom and leading edges are properly aligned. When scanning a two-sided document that is printed on thin paper, the image on the opposite side of each page may show through. Adjust the scanning intensity in the application software before scanning the document. Use a carrier envelope or make a photocopy of the document to scan these types of documents: wrinkled or creased documents, curled documents, torn documents, overly folded documents, carbon paper, coated paper, extremely thin translucent paper, documents with raggedly torn perforations. When scanning multiple documents, sort them into batches of 50 sheets and load each batch separately. If available, an external jogger can be used to help align the documents. Pull out the document feed tray. Extend the eject stopper beyond the length of the loaded documents. If the eject stopper is not pulled out far enough, a feeding error may occur. Now, align the bottom and right side edges of the documents and load them with their front sides facing forward and with their edges flush against the document load mark. Your documents are now ready for scanning. When scanning relatively thick documents, 0.005 inches to 0.008 inches, the feeding process may cause the document to curl and cause paper jams at the document feed opening. For such documents, load no more than 10 sheets at one time. For information about configuring scanning parameters, click the Help button in the Settings dialog box. The Help button provides information about configuring scanning parameters. Once you're done scanning your documents, click on Exit to close the scanning utility.